Hello everybody and welcome back. Let's understand some important terminology of IAS 21, that is the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. We have to convert from one currency to another currency and the foreign exchange rates keep fluctuating. I hope you agree with this. Let's take an example. There are two terminologies. The currency relevant of the country in which there is primary economic environment of that company, which this will be known as functional currency. Example, if a company is registered in India and is paying its salaries and rent and all the incomes and expenses majorly are done in Indian rupees, then we'll say the Indian currency is their functional currency. On the other hand, all other currencies will be considered as foreign currency. Let's take an example. A company is registered in Singapore and thereby it is dealing in Singapore dollar. All its rent expenses, salary expenses, registration, everything is done in Singapore. Then the primary economic environment for that company will be Singapore dollar. Therefore, the functional currency will be Singapore dollar, and apart from this, all other currency will be termed as foreign currency. Okay, now we are very good with this. Whenever we prepare financial statement, it is generally in functional currency. Now let's take an example. If Indian company is preparing all its financial statement in Indian rupees and maybe they import one asset from China. Maybe they make one another purchase from Singapore. There are two transactions in foreign currency. We cannot pass a journal entry in foreign currency and thereby we need to convert them, translate them in functional currency. So every time you have a foreign currency transaction, you are required to convert it into functional currency. Now there are two terminologies regarding the same. First is conversion. If the transaction, if this conversion, if this exchange is happening on the date of actual transaction, this will be known as conversion. Let's take an example. Like example, you have to pay fees for registration to ACCA. Let's take an example that it is 143 pounds. If you pay, you have to pay rupees 112 each pound on 30th September. Maybe if you pay it on 4th November, you will have to pay 113. These are the rates by which there will be an actual deduction from your bank account. These are known as conversion. The conversion is made using spot rates. Clear? Example, if you have to pay 113 instead of 112, there will be an immediate loss. This immediate loss will be considered okay as gain on loss in conversion and will be charged to P&L in the year in which it has taken place. On the other hand, next terminology is translation. At every reporting date, at every end of accounting period, at every reporting date when you're preparing a financial statement, you're required to remeasure each and every asset or liability that has been done in foreign currency. Any asset that has been obtained in foreign currency or any liability that you're required to settle in foreign currency, those will be remeasured. This remeasurement is known as translation. I hope you're clear with conversion and translation. I hope you're clear with functional currency and foreign currency. These are the basic concepts and terms used in IS 21. If you're good with this, then you will be easily able to, you will be in a position to understand entire IS 21 clearly. We have had one question already. A video has been uploaded for the same. We have had a one question which was related to Whiteflip company and wherein translation was made. The payments were made in two equal installments. So if you want to check this exam oriented question, then you can check this video. I'll share it in the link and it is there already uploaded on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. In case if you have any query or suggestion, make sure you put it down in the comment box. We'll try to come back with an explanatory video on the same. Thank you so much for watching.